The families of America today once had hope. For most, life is about going to school, getting good grades, obtaining a degree, getting a good paying job, meeting someone special, falling in love, getting married, buying a home to raise a family in, and that's the American dream. The leaders of the lending industry are carelessly letting thousands of families down across the entire nation every single day. This unprecedented, historic mortgage crisis has left so many families in a state of disappointment, fear, anger, and feelings of hopelessness. The people of our nation have lost all their trust to the mortgage and lending institutions across the board. Sadly, but true, there have been numerous reports of fraud to the highest level as seen on TV news of this epidemic mortgage cancer that continues to affect thousands of families today. If your home is underwater, meaning that you owe more than the property value and you're not sure what to do, please allow yourself to learn your options now. You may be able to buy time by asking the lender to produce the note and referring the case to a court if the lender does not have it. Barack Obama has recently made some changes, and because of these changes, you may be eligible to refinance even if the property is underwater. A loan modification may also be an option. This is when the lender will work with you to restructure the payments temporarily. The disadvantage is that you're very likely not to get a principal reduction, and your owed balance won't change then. The low payment options that are given are usually temporarily, and when your owed balance is 2 to 3 times more than the property value, most people can't seem to see the benefit in keeping the home anymore. A deed in lieu of foreclosure is when you call the lender and you give up the keys and walk away. The consequences are very similar to a foreclosure. A foreclosure is one of the most destructive things that can happen to your credit, dropping your score by 250 to 350 points. Also, when applying for jobs, you may be asked for a credit report, and this may cause problems if you have had a foreclosure within the last 10 years. When you fill out a loan application called a 1003, there is a question that asks if you had a foreclosure within the last 10 years. If you had one, you must mark yes. The lender may also come after you for a deficiency judgment. This amount can be thousands of dollars depending on the size of your mortgage. Filing for a bankruptcy should not be the solution to a situation when your house is underwater. A short sale is when you qualify to sell the house on the market and the lender is willing to settle the debt for less than the mortgage balance. And in most cases, the lender also gives up the right to pursue a deficiency judgment. That is great news. 50% of the homes sold in the East Bay are short sales. Your credit will only be impacted by a small 50 to 100 points, and it may affect your credit for only about 12 to 18 short months. After a successful short sale, you will be eligible to qualify for a conventional loan as soon as 24 months or 3 years if you're going for FHA type loan. Most families that are victims of the mortgage crisis see the light at the end of the tunnel and decide to move forward with a short sale because of the strong, healthy options that will become available to you in the near future compared to the other options that put you and your family further and further away, weakening your eligibility to buy again. Most real estate agents don't do short sales due to their nature, and they rather not deal with the complexity and sensitivity working directly with the banks. Statistically, short sales require 3 times more the work and take 3 times more of the time, and that's another reason why realtors avoid them compared to traditional sales. It is very important that your real estate agent, the person you hire, is completely committed and knows exactly what they're doing. You would not want to hire an agent just because you know them as a friend and they're practicing to do a short sale on you. Envision this big financial weight quickly coming off your back right now. And after all this is already over, imagine the feeling, that major shift, that major change after 24 months. And there's ease there, but there's that energy and that tingling, that excitement, looking forward to yet another place to call home again. And you know that feeling because you're having it right now, and everyone can see, and that's awesome. You're feeling completely relieved of all stress in this picture, and your family is in a place of peace too. As you begin to notice the feelings of inner joy and love for this moment again, take a good look at your life, filled with color and enthusiasm already waiting for you. All you have to do is decide today, and you're back in control again. This is your moment to take charge and full control of your life right now. My name is Jaime Garcia. I'm a certified short sale consultant at Keller Williams Realty, serving the communities where you live and work in the East Bay. When buying or selling a home, it can be a real challenge, but it's meant to be exciting, rewarding, fun, and easy. That's my standard commitment to you, and my goal is to exceed it. You may reach me at my direct number at 925-457-4453. Again, it's 925-457-4453. Call now. Thanks for watching.